Hello, everybody. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. And if you're new to Centric, welcome. The best place to learn about Centric is always centric.com. It's an amazing resource for learning about Centric. Today, however, we're doing something a little bit different. We're going to be talking about gift giving. We're having a worldwide contest to give away a whole bunch of super cool gifts. And how do you participate? Basically, it's all going to be on Twitter. So if you're not already on Twitter, get on Twitter. If you're already on Twitter but not already following Centric, please follow the official Centric Twitter, which is @Centric Rise. And I'm going to get into the gifts in just a second, but there are a lot of super cool gifts. Gifts about money, gifts about crypto, and just some really neat things. And you get to decide which gift do you want. And if you find a gift that you really like, these are the rules. All you have to do is mention @Centric Rise. You need to mention the person or personality that is attached to the prize. And then you need to include the following hashtags. Hashtag Centric Holiday Giveaway, $CNR, $CNS, and hashtag Centric. And then you need to tell us why you want the gift. And you get to enter as many times as you want, but every single entry has to be unique, just like you. You need to give us another reason why you want the gift. And we're going to use some special software to find the winners all over the planet. We're going to do the drawing on the 23rd of December. And make sure you stay connected with Centric across social media because we're going to be giving you updates all along the way. But understand the drawing is on the 23rd of December and it's going to be in the morning. And I'm going to get on there live and using the software, we're going to pick all the names and then all of the winners will be listed @Centric Rise on Twitter. But understand there's a lot of super cool things on the list, the gifts. And we've got a blog post that explains everything. And if you get tripped up by any of the rules, you can watch this video again. You can go through the blog post, make sure that all of your entries are correct. But we're going to have some fun with this. Again, happy holidays to you and your families. Everybody take care of yourselves. Always remember, Centric is burning tokens every hour until CNS reaches $1. And have a great day.